toluk sem penamatan bokap jan mai hak yo sem yakam suna yut suna weng yang jenga musiman yai bo sem yakam anak yo suna tai semua weng yang jeng ada hidup po mai pokong sem suna aglu lam jong mai pok kambo yo akai cemo pe akai semai pinam polo wei muluk polong pokong saba sanga semja habaja kasak pu aja sakpo akai cemo agai se sampai pinam bojoa ye lo ye pinam magdan kota amakan batana kuri kena program bandani sina itya bi time homoi subrapa ki amakan ke raki dise aro di dise kiman chun yadi ahai kena amakan madam tai braloi kena amakan maiki woman ekta chani bole rasta ki ase mundi kena khala kuri bole ki program ase amakan ke raki dia itu amakan huni jabo nimite kiman chun time di kena ase aro kun bado rasta se ase bole bi amakan bathana kuri kena itu start kuribo ekilogot bathana kuribo na aro jabra kiman program loi jabole ase kiman chun yati bohi kena amakan chani bole ki rasta ase itu chani puna nimite isude amakan takat mangibo aro amakan upode ki matambra ki kobole ase dalaga life habana kuribo kiman chun yati bohi kena ase thanks di ase ekilaga bathana kuri kena itu program suru hoi jabone ni jawab pup sanyon haleluya bersaka yang nyusuba bersaka muhiman sangka hambong beai tailang ba obai sunang gamen long bo sunya be hambong nyhadui nyutui nyhadui mihitan hanya ba hakpa makhung tu do ba hambong sango hodok sangka thai nya be obai su yang nyuka sunghi bai ka nyuhi jong ka dai hile ka kapjan lam phu ka oba nangai phaje bam balong bananya ba haleluya sango sambuba sam chamba ba ka ambong hodowai thai kunda nangai jama minutes mesuk uan sangka nangai phaje bam balong ba hambong sakka ka hada hambong nyuhaki mihidan nanya ba haba nangai dayan sungai si hambong sakka mubuki maba halam ka hambong kamihi nyuhki dekai dayan kapjan ada daihan makhung nya besangka haba handai dai nang nengai paje bambalong ba hambong saka kai nengi sektu sai tanan sengai si nyangan sengai sim hambong ka thandoi mungsa apta ba lang haka mongak leita uhan gang sulanga talang ba hambong saka lam balong ba jongkai sai isuga mana hibak yang yu be nanggalana suai aba kapjan pangan sengai si nang ka besak balam balong ba yuai oba nangai man ka phopnya amen
A very good afternoon to everyone. I'm so deeply honored this afternoon to be in your midst and to be witnessing the Platinum Jubilee of the Orang Kong Church. I thank God for this time to be in your midst. People are still coming. Ini ahibi close up puile balobo. It's more like a seminar. Okay, moi ini language barrier hoi jashe. Idora I'll speak in Nagamis as well as English. Ami ke excuse koribi. Ami orang kong khota to olop to puchi, but I can't speak. So here I am. All glory to God this afternoon for bringing each and every lives. Platinum Jubilee is a big achievement in the life of an individual day. And us witnessing this program, the bigger picture, the Platinum celebration organized by the church is such a privilege. We should also, I think we ought to again remember the pioneers, especially the women folk, who have contributed so much to make this day happen. Even if they are not with us, we'll remember them in our humble prayers. A big thank you to the program committee, the planning committee, for including my name to have this short seminar on a given topic. Ami called I was very reluctant because there is the language barrier for me. Holy Bee, they encouraged me, telling me that you have to come and at least say something. So I took it as a privilege. And I wanted to meet all of you, the elders, the youngsters, everyone. So once again, I express my big thank you to the program committee. They have validated my background in the program itself. Thank you. But let me reintroduce myself. Ami ekparo mo nicho reintroduce koribo. I'm Alongla. I belong to Sanctum community. My father, in the early 60s, was posted here as an educator mostly in those days. And he started working in some few villages, and he landed here in Orangkong village. That's where he met my mom. That's the story he narrated to us many years back. Unfortunately, my daddy passed away this year. My mom, her name is K. Ayamla. She has left this village long time ago, but I'm sure Pishi elders kanto dagi yad kuribo, dagi tikili. I take pride in being their children, in the sense my mom, Henok's mom, they were besties, and they could break the barrier of, availing education at that point of time. Tahan class 6, 7, chuto holibi, iman value, itya compare kurile to MSc, PhD is nothing, but those days, class 3, 4 was a big achievement with the entrances. So tahan ikipuri na class 8 pungcha, they were in the first group. Then I was told mom is the first government employee among the women folk. Tai teacher by share, so Tai first government employee Makikan Machutibi among the first as a goishe. So I take great pride to be a daughter of this soil too. Even if biologically I'm Sanctum, I'm as much as my mother's daughter. So here I am. And with that, I'm married. I have one daughter. Unfortunately, my husband passed away 2 years back, so that makes me a single parent. And achi pustidi ahigena moike women in leadership. Going into topic the other, I don't know, somewhere it resonated so much to me because I'm in the police department for the last 19 years. This will be my 20th year now. So it's always good to share the different styles of leadership. And I don't know, I expected a very mixed crowd, mixed audience, but I can see mostly youth only. So I'll adjust the topic in such a way that it will be convenient and a learning time for all of us. Itu ami kan topic pi ati nai. Holi bi ami kan la topic achi afternoon la do women in leadership, and followed by achieving an equal future. It was a day. So basic ami aro leadership te ek par apne sab ke reminder dibo mon achi. I'll make the seminar as short as possible. What is leadership? Apne sab achi kali to ami kan leadership forms the backbone of every, from house to community to bigger pictures. Leadership definition, the opinion hodin chaniase. But typical leadership definition hoiledo mohan, you know, it revolves around status. It revolves around titles. It revolves around position. Ito to bishi asde. Having said that, leadership style bhi alag thaki. I come from an organization, uniform. Leadership is very different out there. Hierarchy thaki, it comes in tiers. And you know, the leadership in our organization, the uniform police, it's very different, unlike the leadership we're going to discuss today, the style. Leadership, again, in the corporate sector, business, corporate, India, Delhi, Mumbai, most the world has turned into that kind of leadership where, you know, the competition is very vicious and evil out here again. You can't, you know, you can't tell what other, your, the colleague, the other partner, what you are doing. It's a very competitive leadership out here. We have leadership on a different level, like the political leadership, which is most likely a service leadership again. There's a very different context again. So the types and styles of leadership matter kuri. They alag. So only achi moi amigan chama kura them there. At the end of the day, leadership, no matter what the styles are, amigan itu leadership to, it's an art. It's a process. Mo achi achanak kalirati moi humapo, moi leader hobo decide koribo, porsong moi leader la role ekta apni an osori dikhabo. Then after that to moi leadership khatam hoise. Itu no hoide. Leadership is about character, consistency. And people should know, okay, she is practicing what she is saying. He is who she claims to be. She is who she claims to be. Itula leadership thagi. Now, ami apunihan ke kile itu art, kile itu, it's a process. Itu kobole garni mo ekta activity dikhabo mona jo. Apuni khan ke if I can get some few volunteers, please, 5 of you. Amihan mostly inga interaction de khatam koribo na. If I can get 5 of you, please, for two maybe 1 to 2 minutes. Apnian leaders, any more leadership like that, apnian ke dikhai dibo mon. Chokri kanya ibo, ama andon na ibo. See, I'll give certain instruction as a leader. You have to follow me, okay? Because I want to tell the congregation what leadership qualities. Function, na? I'll give one paper. Action nasabo lagi. If you can kindly stand in a straight line there. If you can, action nasabo lagi. I'm going to instruct something. I'm the leader. I'm a leader as a apni khando moila followers as there. Action nasabi there. I'll give the same instruction. You have to just follow that on you, okay? Suko bon guribi morombra. Otherwise you'll see each other. I'm the leader here. Abunan hati moi kakas tishu na. Please fold it into half. Nasabi there. It doesn't matter what it comes out. I just want to explain it in a very quick way. Mittal de fold guribi. Amido instruction ti as I'm the leader. You got to obey me. Itu as Hoishna. Aro mittal bra arobi fold guribi. Arobi mittal bra. Tui la wait. Tui kinaka fold gurle monaze. Nasabi action. Tui can. I want to see how confident you are with your following skills. Arobi fall guribi ek bar. That's my instruction. Parile do nasabi because it has to be subconscious while you're doing it. Hoshina, that's it. To moi leader as a middle de chinda guri dibi. Middle ekta di which where you feel is the middle chinda guri dibi. Nasabi, Sukupon Gornini could be this has to be Pangabi, Chindado opinion. I just said make a hole. Pangibi Chorseba, Chindabanaidibi. Done? If it's done, thank you, thank you. Then you can open your eyes. Apni like first khulina dikhabi tahange. Dikhabi. Taila ito aside. The next, I mean, take par. Taito mo same instruction dishido. Holibi chinda ikta wishido. See, I gave the same instruction. They stood in a group. I gave the same instruction. See, and the next, it's okay. It doesn't matter what result comes out. Aro olabi. Taito chinda grupo parana. She tried. It's okay. That happens. That fourth wala ikpar kuri lobi. Taila do man cute bra like she. I gave her any size of all. She is very okay. Take us a tikabi ekbar crowd can get because I want to show action to kina share. Ini tikabi kuno inase kuno. It doesn't matter. Tikai dibi dahange. Ekbar crowd can get tikai dibi. Thank you. So palba ekbar tikai dibi. See, I gave the same instruction as a leader. See, I gave the same instruction as a leader. They are my followers. But the results, I gave the same wording, same instruction, but the end results are different. Look at number 1. Look at number 2. Same instruction. Number 3 has different result. Number 4 has different result. 5 has a good time. She had different result. So, see, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can please go back. Please, China boy, thank you, thank you. These are just demo. See, this is what I wanted to tell you. Leadership, as a leader, Ami inaga result uladam de, even not consistent with my character, I'll get irritated. I gave the same instruction. The public or the people are giving me different result, which might irritate me. So that's what I'm, which might not please me if my temperament has no patience. So these are things leadership there. Apni hanke kobo monjado leadership to pishi self-leadership is the greatest leadership. When I say that, it's not about being arrogant. You are the leader. Ami kwa manibo lage. Ami kwa di utibo lage. Ami kwa di tai dance kurbo lage. Not like that. The world is changing. Apni la leadership to, you should treat everyone with respect, with kindness, empathy going na bohansi. All of us are educated. I don't know how to put it in Nagamis. Empathy. Action ke puchigana. So there are many people who wants their voice to be heard. And if you are a good listener with that kindness and patience, obviously the other person, you are making him or her feel heard. That's the point where they say, okay, this leader understands me. This leader is heard my voice. This is the leader I want to be with. This is the leader I want to team up with. See, that's the concept of leadership, okay? See, I'll come back to women leadership now. Amikan, these are general leadership triads and characters. But Amikan achila topic to women in leadership. And it's multifaceted, the calling. It can be in your home. It can be in a job where I work as a government servant. It can be in a society. It can be anywhere. So it is a bit of multifaceted for women. So let's demystify leadership today. First, I'll come to leadership as a steward at home. There, to all the mothers, young and old, to all the wives, young wives, to all the young sisters and youth sitting here. I'm so sorry to our Gen Z mothers if I'm having a communication gap, but Amma hanla role de ahijabo ekbar leadership de. See, अपनी leadership inherently nachani na pukhigena ase, including me, by virtue of being a woman. They leadership moi han pukhina ase. And these are basic leadership skills apni aro moi thore ase to. Core de start hoi to. For example, logistic bhabibi apni han. Core ekta de. Bhat kiman pakabo, kiman amul lukai rakhibo, kiman sabun use koribo, na kiman toothpaste dibo, ami bi inaka kori to. Wholesale by kinina nilibi mui kiman pakurna dibo. Logistical skill managing. Negotiator, you are a negotiator at home. Pachahan chagara uladam di apni tahan machudi tui peace na kori di. Baba ro pacha machudi misunderstanding wadam di apni khara na kori. I've done that many times. Apni muta tuijon machudi misunderstanding. Wadam di bi you are managing, you are conflict managing indirectly. These are leadership skills. Finance, puisa laga. For working women, you bring home money in addition to the money the husband brings. But at the end of the day, inside the house, in majority of the houses, amara manage kurido. Ama action brai puisa do manage kurido. So these are leadership skills, Sudo Mohan, itiabra, inherent leadership skills. These leadership skills are done at the bigger level in the corporate sector, in the other sectors, business sectors. Ito Mohan khote basic hiki ase to. Now, ami ito leadership skills lagwa them there. It becomes a bit, here comes the dicey part. Our topic is achieving an equal future as there. Times have changed, so achieving an equal future there. How do we achieve that equal future? There are millions of homes there across the world. And every home is producing one or the other leader, whether it's a boy, it's a girl. And you got to play a big role starting from home. Daughters can. Achieving equal future, they ulop taisi mu yeti contradict korna topic te aibo mon. Amikan core ekta de pacha chokri kan. Ami bi mutta thaga brother thaga khote race kuri shido. Unknowingly amma hanbra iki office school chuti hobo. Chayena cha banabi to mui ke koi do. Iki kukai aro mui poi ase. Khor ekta di mon thaki ase. Papa amma bra kukai kan brothers la kapra to chama gona rakhi dina. Ami kan ke thola bu di shido. Tholai sa shi ami bi. I have done it gracefully at that point of time. But times are changing with the stereotypes, because if you have got to give an equal future to your daughters in leadership, in everyday life, I think we need to change that a bit as mothers also. I mean, the daughters have to see unlimited horizon in their as they grow up. More a simple example kobo there. It will come to again that topic on the equal future there. Ajikali pishi amikan parents can mutabra maki job pa mano anile bishi kushi vaido. They take pride. They say, oh my look at my son, he married an officer, he married a government servant. So glad, so happy. Dual income at home. How good. But where is the dual aspiration for our daughters? Dreams to dwell no hoido. Income to dwell lagido. See, we Nagas come from a very rich society. They have given pride. We come from a patriarchal society. Pride to mutai lobo, no doubt. We are not contesting that day. But as young mothers and young women, should we change, if we are to change the equal future achieve kuribo koileto, I think we need to start doing all these things at home. Teach your son how to share responsibility. Take away the stereotype. You could know it all. See, model partnership with your spouses. Kapra thola ko pap no it all. And they should know that it is not helping you, okay? I'm a very rigid police officer. Police line to be not that I'm undermining their stands, okay? There's where they are standing. But tahan mutahan janibo lagi, it's not helping you or me. It's a joint running of the family. You should model partnership with your wife, with your, son, with your husband, with your son, so that they get the concept early. Ami itu kile koya se kole working women will agree with me. There's a term called the double burden. Apni khorde, you are a caretaker, you are an elder taker. Ami to mula in-laws la ma baba bishi serious tagishe tan gibi saishe. That applies to all of you. You are elderly care kuriti ase. Tui 50-30 stay sai ase. Tui khorde kapra thola ase. Name it, it's endless for women. Then you are a working woman. Leadership skill putta ase olibi jaka nai kuribole mohan. Your heads are full because to be a good leader, you need opportunity. You know, opportunity means mental lagwes day. To iman tired korpung chishe. Where's the time and energy to think at par with your main folk? You need mental space to excel on that as you climb that leadership into skill there. And how I wish, I belong to millennial group. I'm also, my feet, one is here, the other, I advocate for this. But at the end of the day, amike topic the other achieving equal, amike women in leadership, that would have been a different thing. But achila do tahan mutahan rabish karabra topic tishu to achieving an equal future. To achieving an equal future to tahan na participation natagile kutopo. To itu participation kuribole to apni aro moi opoti ase moi itu kopole mon. Let them participate. Model partnership at home. Iku no hoito. Tahan ke mohan niket Quran hoito. And that's how as young mothers we can change. Aro kile itu partnership kuri gole mo example ekta kobote. Amila Satni, she works in the corporate sector. She is an IITN. Tai corporate sector te kam kuri. Tahando emoluments corporate sector te to tahan ke time de itu tiala bishi thagi de. So one fine day, taila company pra tai ke taila leadership skill, taila contribution to tikhigena. They give her a trip to US and the UK, a 40-day trip for achieving her targets. Now, tai khodi ahi, mutado tui chaile to khor kiribo, khor kiri jabo tui goshe. So why is that happening to us? We are talking about leadership every morning. You are talking about achieving an equal future. But why is it happening? She achieved a future at par with the men. But mutado koise apni to itu US UK chaile to na hobo khor kiribo koise. Why is it that? Kile khor kiribo? Because phat paka manu nai to na. Kapra thola manu nai to na. Pacha sa manu nai to na. Pacha ki school loi jabole nai to na. Pachagi chuti hoina lesson nikabole nai to na. Bisna blanket fold guribole mano nai to. Now how do we solve it? It to solve guribole do you and I have a role. That's what I said previously. If you chart out responsibility, itu kwanishina helping no hoy, punishment no hoy. But if you model partnership, then type kobo to iku no hoy mon kurina jaji chabi US chabi UK chabi. Itu asado. Itu pra moi apni han ki if you want to achieve that equal future, please start working at home first, okay? Leadership. It has a big impact on the children who is going to inherit the future tomorrow. Okay, next is leadership as a service. Amikan makikan leadership paile pishi mano mathadi jai. We think that leadership is going to take you till your grave. No. When you leadership to service, You know, it should empower your next friend, the people next to you. It's not about wielding power. Hey, my leader say, I be mon kana gole say. Do it ati jab ito kuribu. Who would want to follow you? Where's the cooperation? It's not going to last, that leadership. Ito bra, as a service, you should make a benchmark of how many lives you have lifted up. Te, kapra ekta digi na madad kura. Fi dibo na thaga di apni ra ek moina di diya as a leader. Tai pishi tuga se muta tai chun ekta phal kam kuri diya. You are lifting people up. It's not how many people look up to you. Leadership. Leadership ekta do, it's about impact that you make, the positive impact you make. Te. Mental health, mano iman discuss kuri aji gali apnya nitula core issues. I'm sure many must have pondered and worked out on it. If you are not happy, how can you make others happy, the next person sitting near you? You carry yourself within you every day. Whether you are going to kitty, whether you are at home doing something, kapra banaye se, whether I go to office, you carry yourself within you. I'm office punchigene hasibo. No. You are carrying yourself within you. And you know, you are the first person you are going to meet, wherever you go. So carry a positive impact as women in that leadership that you undertake. Initiative and vision thakibo lagi. What can I do for the people around me? Easy na hoy de. Easy na hoy. Achi, when they called me to speak a little here, my dad passed away on 31st. I have my dad's anniversary, year-end love prayers. That too is my husband's death anniversary. I have long list of things to do. But I said this is a priority. I would love to meet the people of my mom's village. Whether they listen or not, it's okay. But I need to share a peace of mind about the way outsiders look up to the women of this village. We should look up Kurit opinion ke. I'm settled in Kohima. You all are settled in mostly outside. I think we should lift each other up. You should celebrate each other wherever we go. That's also another style of leadership, where you lift up one woman through your words, through your contact. Tahan ladi tu ulop preach kuritia koitia. It was there. See, in all this, in this sum up because I thought I'll do with many activities, but we have a shortage of time, so I'll straight away go to the ending. Amikan ki kuri thaki libi. Amikan last source of leadership is very important day. Without biblical anchor, without Isur laga help na thagi na do, our leadership is not going to survive. Itubra, I would like to remind all of us here. Amikan internal character to more important than our external skill there. I mean, Bible the Amikan pace korna leadership life thaki bole do every day apan bi huni ase ami bi huni ase. Let's remind ourselves once again. Women leadership iman balbal mohan Bible scriptural witness they have come across. We are seeing it. Those should be our inspiration. Nah? Amikan, do work for the people, to sacrifice. It has to be, that leadership has to be fueled by heavenly guidance. We have heard about Queen Esther, immense successful queen leadership there, political leadership. This maki leadership to ekta modern idea no hoi de. Amikan BC 80 time labra tikhi ase to. We have seen the name few apne bhi ekta tuida to ko bhi Deborah, for example, who was a judge, who was a military advisor with grace kurbo para. We have seen the Proverbs 31 women. Moi the Proverbs 31 to every day moi by heart kuri. I like that chapter. Na Proverbs 31 de do leadership qualities sub ta de likhina so to she opens her heart to the poor and the needy. That's a leadership skill. You are a community benefactor. You are a philanthropist there. She opens her mouth with wisdom. Likhina sodo. Isn't that so God? Isn't that a godly woman? You take care of everything in the fear of God. The class and the grace you carry. Tai, she manages the household staffs. Likhina sodo tade. I'm sure all of you will be well read than me. But that is an inspiration for leadership to me today. She is a manager at home. She sells and buys land. Likhina sodo Proverbs 31 women. I mean, all the leadership skills are written down there. How good if we can pick up one or two of those qualities. The patience, the kindness, the goodness. If we can pick up two qualities, attributes of that Proverbs 31 women, and if we can put in practice in our life, I think we are going to fulfill the purpose of God through our lives. There. So, man officer hoina buibo, so man politician hobo ito nohoy do, so chuto man hobo nohoy do. God has made our lives in such a way that we handle everything with grace. To the youths, I see a big number of youths. So to the youths, please claim your space. There is so much of stereotyping in the society today. Now, how a leader should look like, how a leader should speak. Leader hoila was hobo lage. Na, nohole do ami can see Mikey can say I don't know how it is. My dad passed away recently. I was not allowed to speak for certain reasons. See, there are so much of stereotyping in the society today. And now we are talking about a future that's equal. Now, how do we change that? And the youth, you've got to play a very big role. Please claim your space as young women, okay? Do you can be prime time? No one told us. Your prime time starts now. Do you have talent, potential? Ito loigina. Morom brapani can claim your space very early. And that too, itia moi last qua point there. Isorchani na day. That doesn't mean you have to be loud, over smart, negating others. No. You need to carry the class. You need to carry the feminism God has, the grace God has given us. You got to inherit tomorrow. It was a, and with this, I believe that we will all participate, especially the women, the daughters of Orangkong. I believe that there will be, with participation in God's wisdom, let's hope to see many Deborahs, many Esthers, many Proverbs, 31 women from this land, where God will lead, gift, and make us shine. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Mai chu mung moyo de sam hanak tu yi sam mai chi ngai tilu tat ta sakpo hang ka sakpo sine do hangi jitini kung umi se mung boyo si e pasage mai chu mung mo agadi pe me mushima lipo se same agadi hoyang gar nyamung bo ko ni sine do mung mai ba hanak dokko agadi noe panyo agadi office lang ngai tilu ne sine do lubu agadi ye lam nuru ada ma GP se rutu time dia karne bishi thanks dia se isor ke bi thanks dia se office work holi bi noili ni khorla kam holi bi ki la kam iman bishi thakili bi dokan sob chari gana nijor laga busti nishina bhabana kurina yade posti de aro iman dangor platinum jubilee ito program dangor de from this morning ito program de bhal ba attend guna success kurina aro bi tai laga life tai la family aro tai laga service nimidi bi ami kan pray kru kile man wherever we go whatever we plan isor laga blessing mangi shugole isor ra ami kan ke guidance kri shugole he sob te mon success kuri do karne isor ke tai la life tai laga family nimidi man pray kru bo same chame ye di phinam new same phinam khabo de shiru sanga ne hoyanga lamchuk pa jaw nyamung pa khu kho nyi bada hunga ya ye semua jumpa no yang ipo senada pinam ko penyo yang ipo senada anda pemung penyo loang piksu senada sampai pinamnya si lobo be mata yang alam juku senada muya mana ripa si penyo yang bos nalu sampai special jaya ri si sampai pinam ko senada lampada agak di bodoh yang sak pengili bojan ye mongko kuko si bata sampai si hanak taja saki yang kan ye mongko kuwi si di boy yang kan ye mongko kuwi si Amikan Israel ke thanks tigna ikilo te pray guna ya ti pra si so de let's all pray together pa chi ba ta lang ba ha me chong shambu ba ka gang nang thawai mi hiyo mai bini shi mi o tha bong wei ba chang ba sha bani shi galang mong nang lang ha da lang wa tham bo homai shamu ba jisu hambong haba shing he bak sho ko shing ga nang lang ha da lang ba thamai shamu ba jisu krista to bong shi ning la mo dike nang kamal lang mo shunyu bai shamu ba jisu krista onya homai shamu ba jisu krista mai mo bo homai ma ba hamai yang yu ka tuk pa tok sho lam puli ba ka tha shi ma shi hada nyangai shamu ba jisu nyu han singai shi ma ba nyu bogan belong ba hambong ga shu te pa sang ka hamai mong ka te ngai chawai chawai shamu ba jisu krista mu man sang ka nyu han lok pu yang nyu mai bo homai nyu lum ba cha hada odu shimong nyu huk tha ba ma ba mai bo homai lang ha ga gong ko bo homai shamu ba jisu krista lam puli ba ko pa tang han nang lang hada lang ba tam shi hada shamu ba jisu krista mai shi yang nyu e panyu humai e ba tan da ba sang ka hamai mong ga chawai choi shamu ba jisu nyei nya gang ai ka mu e man sang ka nyu han nang lang hada lang ba tam shi ma hada panyu lai odu shimong panyu lai dok shu shamu ba jisu panyu kam be yong ba panyu tai ba lai ba pa ka ning lam tu kagang ning panyu lai yang nyu odu shimong yum chumuna shamu ba jisu krista lam buli pa ko pa tang han mu e man tang han ka ning to lam mu shi ma hada shamu ba jisu krista nang ka pho pai pang ba uba kagang ning to pungu shin ning lam mu diki nang ka man long ba shu nyu pai haba shing ga bo ya nei shamu ba jisu krista ham maba tok shu ka hada maba shing ka hambong kam han yong han hada maba te khan tam ba nya ba hadu pa ko pa tang han ning na to lam mu shi ma she kap chan ningi okpa tang hu singai sinang kamani long basi Jisu Krista kamani long basu pupeyan dia hadu syako baka ningi makai mong haba kamana gaishima amen